Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you the process of how you can delete apps on Android device. Now once you're at the home page of your Android device, you need to go to the home page where all your apps are visible. Now you need to delete some apps from your device. So here what you can do is you can just tap on that application, hold it for a while, and there on the top right you will see the option of uninstall. You can just move the app to that uninstall box. It will get, you can see the change in color. Now you just release the hold app. This will get you the option of do you want to uninstall this app. Now here you just need to click on OK and the app will get uninstalled. This is one way how you can delete the app on Android. I will be showing you the another process. For the second process, you need to go to the setting option of your mobile device, tap on setting, then there you need to tap on apps and notification. You tap upon that, there you tap on see all apps. This will show you all the apps that are inside your Android device. Now here you choose the app that you want to delete or uninstall. So I'm just gonna choose Zoom again. You tap upon the app and there on the option available you will see uninstall at the middle option. Now if you just tap on that and there you will be asked do you want to uninstall this app, deleting the apps from your Android device. Here you just tap on OK and there you can see the uninstalling process is completed. This is how you can easily delete any apps on Android device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.